Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to introduce RA1 network. This network is a layer 1 blockchain, and right now this particular airdrop is a brand new one. It started not up to 5 days ago, so you are still new to this project. Why not you start mining this project now and accumulate points before the listing? The mining rate is very high. You are mining at 2 R1 coin for every 24 hours. So this is a long-term project. Mainnet is coming 2027. So make sure you start immediately. So I'm going to show you how you can get registered. Now, there is two options. You can either register through the Google Play, that is the Play Store, or if you are using an Apple phone, I'm also going to drop the registration guide for you. So whichever phone you are using, you are going to use the link and download it. Then before then, please copy my referral link so that you get commission as well. Now let's click on join now. You need to write your full name. Please, at this point, make sure you use your full name because KYC will come, and then if you do not use your full name, it may be a problem. So make sure you use your full name so that whichever your full name that is on your NIN or whichever identity that you have, you can use it so that you will not have problem in future. Then you put the referral code. I'm going to drop it here. Then you click on sign up. The verification email has been sent. Please check your email. So they have sent me a verification email. I'm going to my email to check so that I can look at it. The email has arrived. So let me scroll down. Can you see? Verify your email for R1 network. Follow this link to verify it. So tap on this link. So I'm going to tap on this link. Follow the link to verify your email. Tap on this link. Good. It's going to open on the Chrome. Open it on the Chrome. Your email has been verified. Can you see? Just click on the verification link. You will now verify your email. Very important. You need to verify your email. I have started mining to R1 per hour. So this is R1 network. Start mining, earn coins, referral and order. So if you click on, so right now you click on start mining. Click on start mining. Can you see? You are mining every 24 hours. I've started mining. So if you go down here, you can see bonus. Tap on it. They say open the bonus box for extra coin. Tap on it. Then click open. Congratulations, you have unlocked a bonus reward. Add claim ×5. Click the button to quantify your price. So click on, you need to watch the ad to earn 5 times. Okay, they say ad not ready yet, please try again. So right now they don't have ad, so let me click on okay. So if you go back to your profile, let's look at the tokenomics. Let's look at the white paper. Like I say, this project is a long-term project. Mainnet will take place 2027. So position yourself right now to earn more R1 network. So this is their white paper, the R1 network white paper, the exclusive, the introduction, the mission, now let's look at the listing and the tokenomics. Let's see. Okay, the tokenomics, the total supply is 45 billion RA coins. So 45 billion RA coins is the total supply, and the provisional allocation, for the 45 billion RA points, we are going to be giving 25% for the mining, airdrops and content. So out of the 45, 25 is going for the mining and airdrop. Then 5% is for the team. The locked is 5 years. Another 5% is for marketing. 10% is for development and ecosystem and the reserve. So this is their tokenomics already. 45 billion and 25 is going for me and you, that's the miners. So position yourself right now and start mining RA1 airdrop. So that is it for the video. This video link in the video description. Thank you guys, and see you guys in my next video.